Hi there, in this video I will show you how we can configure delivery tracking with the use of AfterShip WooCommerce Tracking plugin. PGS Woo API provide AfterShip plugin support in mobile application API. First of all, we need to install the AfterShip plugin. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New. Enter AfterShip in search plugin bar. Click on Install Now. After installed successfully, activate the plugin. Now we can set up AfterShip plugin. Go to Settings. Click on AfterShip. Select couriers which you provide, like UPS. We can add multiple couriers. Display track button at order history page. Check use track button. Display tracking information at custom domain. We can add custom tracking domain which we have set up on AfterShip account. We will discuss it in later in this video. Content message will show on order history page. For testing we can use this demo tracking number. Click on Save Changes. Now before we add this demo tracking details to customer order, we need to create and configure AfterShip account for synchronize your store products to AfterShip account. Go to Google. Enter AfterShip. Click on AfterShip site link. Click on Start Free button. Enter the full name, email, password. Click on Create Account button. Enter brand name. Store website URL. Monthly shipment. Click on Next. Subdomain which we can add in admin custom domain. Click on Let's Go button. Go to Tracking. Click on Sync App. Click on Add New App. Click on Add New Connection button. Click on WooCommerce. Enter your store URL. Enter API key. Here we can check how to finding AfterShip's WordPress API key. For find API key, go to Users, click on All Users. Edit your administrator account. Go to AfterShip. Check Generate API Key checkbox. Click on Update Profile button. Now go to AfterShip. Here we have API key. Copy API key. Enter API key here. Click on Connect button. Now your store is connected with AfterShip account. Let's go to AfterShip panel. Click on AfterShip. Click on Tracking. Open Sync app. Here we can manually synchronize your orders with AfterShip using this button. AfterShip will automatically synchronize orders on particular time intervals. Currently tracking list is empty, so let's add tracking details to orders so we can synchronize order here. Go to WooCommerce. Click on Orders. Click on Particular Order. AfterShip. Here we can select carrier. Enters tracking number here. Now click on Update. Now let's check on AfterShip account. Click on Tracking button. Here we can see one order. Or we can manually sync order if not display here. On click tracking number we can see the link where the customer can check order tracking details on order history page. Let's check on the customer account. If plugin is enabled for tagging, and detail for tracking is added to order in admin, then you can track your order. To track your order, click on the side menu. Click on My Account, here the option for My Orders is available. Click on My Orders. You can check your order history. Click on View button to check all detail of order. Detail of the order is displayed here. If the tracking detail available for order, then you can get tracking option enabled for your order. Click on the tracking number to track your order. So like this, you can track your order from CiyaShop.